Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion, and a customer asked about our Angular grid and how to change the verbiage, the words, when the grid is set up for paging mode. So let's take a look at it. Here is the actual customer question, and the customer did a really good job in this. They told us what they wanted. They wanted to change the text in the paginator, and they wanted to customize some specific part of the text. And then they went to our samples and they gave us a screenshot where we could see exactly what it was they wanted to change. This is a perfect way to talk to our developers. There's no way for a developer to misinterpret this or to have their own idea. So let's look, and the answer was kind of simple, but I want to take a roundabout way of showing what we did. And to do this, we actually used our localization part because we're an international company, so we have to support all the languages that anybody may want to use. And localization is the way that you can change the default text in a control. You know, some controls have default text. Our grid, the pager in our grid, does have that default text. And we're going to change it with localization. So if we scroll, and here I'm in our help topic. Angular helps, the grid, I'm all the way down here in globalization. There'll be a link under this video. But if we scroll down this page to somewhere in here, we're going to find the pager section of our localization. And a couple things that the customer wanted us to change was current page info and the total items info. And there's one more thing. I think it was this. So let's go show what we did. Here's a sample. These are the bits the customer wanted to change. And well, here's our sample code. The localization part of our grid control. This is our default localization for all of our JavaScript controls. It's the base class. It's right here. I just pulled it up because I could in this app. And what we're doing, we're loading localization. We're going to change these objects. And I showed you them in the help page. And so just to kind of show you how this looks, if I wanted to change one of these, right, there we go. So now the text has changed. So it is just that easy to change the text values on our pager. We answered the customer question. I talked a little bit about, showed our help for our localization, and gave you some guidance on how you can change things. And thank you for watching.